to use Circle to search on the Nothing Phone 4a Pro. I'm going to show you how you can do this for both navigation methods, so buttons or gestures. First of all, you will have to activate Circle to search by going to the special features. Go to the gestures, select the navigation mode and click here to enable it. First of all, for the 3-button navigation, you have to click and hold the home button. And now when you got this screen, we can circle or tap anywhere to search. Or if you want to copy, for example, some text that you cannot actually copy normally because it's not supported in the system, so you can just take a look. Let's open it one more time. Now click and hold and simply swipe and select everything that you want to copy or that you want to translate. For example, if I want to quickly translate, let's say I want to translate this into the Polish language. So I'm selecting, and as you can see here, I've got quick translation. But what we can also do with a Circle to search, well, basically we can search for some specific things. So for example, in my gallery, I've got this picture of the Rubik Cube. So if I want to get some similar pictures, I'm just drawing around my item. And now I'll find some information. So it's showing me what it is. It's a puzzle cube with untypical color schemes. And here we can find some visual matches. There we go, some YouTube videos, how to solve actually that Rubik Cube. And for gestures, if you want to use it, then we have to just go back here, go for the gesture. And now we have to just click and hold the gesture navigation button. Of course, with this Circle to search, you can even click here on this button so we can get this live translation of everything that is shown on the screen. Take a look. That's how it actually looks, so we don't have to select some specific things. You can actually do this much faster. We can even search for a song by clicking on this button, but for me it's not working for some reason. I'm not sure why. And by clicking here, we can find history. Take a look. It will take the history from our Google account, and that's basically how it looks. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.